Hello, my name is Niels Berghout and I'm the co-founder of SourceGeek, and today I would like to talk to you about talent pools. A talent pool is nothing more or less than a group of people grouped together in a list. In other platforms you might see them as pipelines or lead lists. Now these pools, they can be used for example for retargeting, or if you want to send a specific message to a specific group. You can find the talent pools in our platform under the tab Contacts and under the section Talent Pools. Now you can very easily create a new pool and add people. There are several ways how you can add people to a talent pool. One of them is to go to an existing campaign, select a few people, click on this button and add them to the talent pool. Another option is to actually click on Import Contacts and click on CSV file. The CSV file only requires you to have the LinkedIn profile URL there. Select the file and click on Import. And the third option is to do the LinkedIn search in a normal way. Now, once the talent pool is created, you can actually go back to a campaign and select the talent pool as one of the options where you import your contacts.